Our team TechByte presents to you the web app Horizon, the patient-oriented information exchange system. The web app opens with the landing page that provides a glimpse of the web app with the beautiful graphics and color scheme. There is also the emergency and contact us button on the header. When the user clicks on the emergency button, he is directed to the page with all the emergency contacts. When the user clicks on the contact button, they have the option to write a message or query to us. Through the landing page, users have the option to continue as a doctor or a patient, which leads to the login and sign up pages for the same. Patients and doctors are supposed to register initially. During sign up, patient needs to enter his name, email, mobile number, address, age, and password. Now we log in into the patient profiles. There is a default profile picture on the profiles page. He has the option to change his photo and other information by clicking the edit button. After making the required changes, the patient can click the save button, and if he wants to discard the changes, he may click the cancel button. There are various other functionalities on the patient portal that he may access through the sidebar. Patient can view and add their lab reports through the lab reports button. When the patient clicks the add lab report button, a form opens where he is intimated to add the test name, department, date, and upload the reports, and all the fields are compulsory. He may also click the view the reports already uploaded by clicking the view report button. Patients can also view the lab reports that are being uploaded by the doctor here. Patients may click the prescription button from the sidebar to view and upload the prescriptions. The patient clicks the add prescription button. He enters the doctor's name, doctor's department, date, uploads the picture of the prescription, and click the add button to add these details. Similarly, he may view the same through the view button. Patients have the option to add their prescription and lab reports themselves for the times when they tend to lose them or in order to provide the all documents too. When the patient clicks the e-prescription button, he may view the e-prescriptions. E-prescription is different from the prescription, for here the doctor may directly enter the doctor's name, date, department, problem name and prescription for the patient. And patient may view the same by clicking the view button. E-prescription result in saving paper, and the patient doesn't even need to worry about the lost or damaged reports. When a doctor wants to provide the documents to the patient, he needs to send a request to them. And he may get the access to add and view documents of the patients only after the patient accepts his request. When the patient clicks the pending request button, he gets the list of the doctor's name and department, where he may click the doctor's name to open doctor's profile. The patient may click the accept or cancel button in order to cancel or accept the request of the doctor. When the patient clicks the doctor's button, he can view the list of the doctor's name and department and contact details of the doctors he is being treated by currently. He may click the remove button once the treatment is completely. He may access the doctor's profile by clicking the doctor's name. We have also made our web app responsive. So when the user opens the website on the iPads or mobile devices, then the UI is still visible. In the mobile view, one gets the option at the bottom with the icons that may be clicked to open the profile page, lab reports, e-prescription, and prescription. At the header, the bars may be clicked at the top that opens the drop down with the options that are pending request, doctor's list, emergency, contact, and logout. We have made our UI easy to understand and beautiful by using the icons for various options. Once the user logs out, using the logout button, he is directed to the landing page. Doctor may register or log in using the Continue as Doctor button. Doctor has to fill in the added details while registering, that is the department name and timing. Once the doctor logs in, using the login button, he gets directed to his profile page, where he may edit its details and change his default picture, just like the patient's profile. Doctors can search the patients by email ID in the search bar in the header and is directed to the patient's profile. Initially, when the patient hasn't accepted his request, he needs to send a request to him. A doctor can access a patient's documents only after he has accepted his request. So initially there is a send request button that turns into pending request button once the request is sent, indicating that the patient has not accepted his request yet. Once the patient accepts his request, patient details are added in the patient's list option in the sidebar. Then the doctor can view the patient's profile and add and view his documents by clicking the view button. Doctor has option to add all the documents of the patient and he may also view his reports. There are various icons at the top indicating lab reports, prescription, e-prescription, wherein the doctor inputs the required details.